Welcome to a quick overview of the term actuator, a key component in mechanical systems and robotics. In just 60 seconds, let's explore what an actuator is and its role. An actuator is a device that converts energy, often electrical, hydraulic, or pneumatic, into mechanical motion. This motion can be linear or rotary, depending on the type of actuator and its intended function. Actuators are essential in machinery and technology where movement is required. They are the components that make machines move, and they play a crucial role in controlling mechanisms. In industrial settings, actuators are used to control valves, open doors, drive motors, and manage various automated processes. They are fundamental in systems that require precise control of motion. In robotics, actuators serve as the muscles of robots, enabling them to move, lift, or manipulate objects. They are crucial in translating electronic commands into physical action. Actuators vary widely in size, power, and capability, from small electric motors in consumer electronics to large hydraulic actuators in industrial machinery. Understanding actuators is important for anyone involved in engineering, manufacturing, robotics, or automation. They are a foundational element in any system where conversion of energy into motion is necessary. Stay informed and mechanically savvy. Recognizing the function and importance of actuators is key to understanding how machines and robots perform tasks and interact with their environment.